Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I sold tons of shoes, so let's see how much I made. All right, so my last 2 days of sales was amazing because I had a really big sale. So this is the next 2 days and we're gonna see exactly what I sold. So let's get right into it. This is a pair of Henry Ferreira Jerry style loafers, size 9. They're men's shoes. I paid $4 for them out of a liquidation box, and $20 is what I earned. So $16 is my total profit. So I'm going to add up all of my total profit with everything as we go along, and then at the end we'll give you a grand total of everything. Then the next thing that I sold, I've got some more of these, not too many more, but a few more of these really cute Merona kind of wedge ladies shoes. I paid $4 for those. $5.25 is what I earned, and so I'm at $1.25 in total profit. So I made my money back plus $1.25. And then the next item that I have is a pair of high-rise kick boot crop jeans. These were $2 out of a liquidation box, universal thread, size 16. $11.05 is what I earned minus my $2. I'm at $9.05 there. Then it looks like somebody's trying to get a jump on Halloween, which is a really great idea. It's the very beginning of September, and so don't forget to make sure that you're posting seasonal items. This is a new with tags Disney's Incredible Jack costume. $5.25 is what I earned. I got this for $1 out of a Bulq.com liquidation box, so I'm at $4.25 of profit there. Then I've got some of these women's black ballet flats shoes, super cute. They look just like that. I've got some more if you want some. Size 8.5 is what those ones right there are. $4 is what I paid out of a liquidation pallet from Via Trading. $12 is what I earned, so $8 total is my profit on that one sale. Then the next set that I have is a bundle, and so I have a pair of stylish denim size 8 classic stretch dark wash jeans. Then I've got a lovely Bold Spirit new without tags hooded floral top. Then I have a lightweight the limited scoop neck sweater, and I have a really cute Rewind jean jumper. So I have $2 invested in this. This came out of my closet, so nothing invested there. $1 invested in this and $2 invested in that. So $5 total is my investment. $16 is what I've earned. So $11 is my profit on that bundle. Then I have another bundle. So I've got a set of intimates, a wireless lounge bra, Exhilaration, Feather Peach. Then I've got a pack of underwear here that we sold. And then I've got, this is a really fun alcove throw blanket and red and black booty set. So that's perfect for Christmas time. And so I've got $2 invested there, another $1 and another $1. So I got $4 total investment. My earnings were $16 for a total of $12 of profit. Can you see why I really love bundles? I usually do really well, and it's a much better deal for the buyer if they buy a bundle as well, because they can combine some shipping. Then I've got these awesome A New Day. I've been selling these like hotcakes. I'm super excited because I have 9 million zillion of them. And so this is a women's Chelsea rain boot, A New Day waterproof, size 7, super trendy, cute waterproof boots. $7 is what I paid for those off of a liquidation pallet. $12 is what I earned, and so I'm at $5 of profit on those boots. Then we're going to wander back on down this way. I've got a really cute button-down dress with cute, it's basically black with really cute white polka dots, and it's a tunic length, so it basically comes kind of mid-thigh on you. $11.80 is what I earned on it. $2 is what I paid, and so I'm at $9.80 of profit on that one item. And then I've got an Exhilaration underwire bra, padded, size 36A. That one I paid $1 out of a Bulq.com liquidation box. That one came in a big, huge pallet of about 500 or so items, which is why I got them for only $1 a piece. $3.25 is what I earned. $2.25 will be my profit since I only paid $1. Then the next item I have here is a wide leg pair of dress pants, 1X. They sold for $10. My earnings were $5.25 because I ended up giving them a shipping discount to get my items to sell faster. So that's something you might want to look into. If somebody hearts an item, shoot them a deal. See if they'll take a lesser price, whether you give them a shipping discount or a percentage off. And sometimes you can get your stuff to move a lot faster. So wide leg dress pants, $5.25. I paid $2 for it, so I'm at $3.25 of profit on that particular one. Then I've got a underwire everyday bra, green in color. This one here, Gilligan and O'Malley, $1.25 is what I earned, $1 is what I paid, and so I'm at 25 cents of profit on that one. So this is not a high-end bra, and so that's okay to kind of just make my money up on some of those things. Okay, Perceptions 1X cool and comfy midi dress with a really cute kind of triangle pattern. And so $2.25 are my earnings, $2 is what I paid. So I'm at, again, 25 cents of profit on that dress. That dress has been in my drawer for a long, long time being for sale, so I'm excited to actually just get it gone. I'm actually getting ready to clean up my store a little bit, get rid of some of those things that I had marked all the way down to $5 and get them off my store so I'm not having to share those things. And that's something you should consider. Make sure you're cleaning up your store on a regular basis so that when people come to your store, they're not always seeing the same things that you're sharing, and you're sharing higher dollar items once you get rid of some of those low end things. I've got a really cute Kona Soul red swimsuit top. My earnings $7.05, $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $6.05 for my profit on that one. Then I've got a Gilligan and O'Malley bra here, $2.25, $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.25 for profit there as well. Then I have this really cute Exhilaration mauve sleeveless lace tunic top. If it was my size, I would have totally kept it. It's really adorable. I paid $1 for it. $2.25 is what I earned, so $1.25 again is my profits. Then, and this is only 2 days of sales, so 2 full days of sales, and so I'm doing really good because, as you can see, we've got a lot going on. Here's a pair of Dana Beckman extra large slimming pull-on pants, $4.25, $2 from a liquidation box, so I'm at $2.25. Then I've got just a few more items, but still more to come. Okay, this I thought was crazy that I even sold these for profit. This came in one of my big 500-piece pallets that I got. It's a pair of Gilligan and O'Malley sleep shorts, a pair of PJ shorts, okay? I paid $1 for it because I got the pallet. It averaged out to about $1 a piece. $3.05 is what I earned. So I literally made $2.05 on a pair of pajama shorts. I think that's amazing. Anyway, I might be too excited about pajama shorts, but it's amazing. All right, here's a pair of new with tags, a new day, dot black 7.5 round toe wedge pumps. Sorry, I was showing you the back of the bag. How about the front of the bag? So those are really, really cute wedge pumps. $4.25 is what I earned. I actually got these out of a liquidation box for only $2. So I'm at $2.25 for profits on that. And I still have 2 more items that I sold in these 2 days of sale. So it's really, really good for, numerically for me. So remember those waterproof black boots that I sold? Well, I sold another pair right here. So those I sold for $8.25. I paid $7 for them, so $1.25 of sales for that. And remember, I made a little bit more on the last batch. And the cool thing is it's only one listing and I can put multiples in quantity. So it doesn't take me any more time to list more things. And then the last thing for these 2 days of sales is a Steve Stricker Fairway Sport Extra Large Polo, a checkered one. $9.05 is what I earned on that. $2 is what I paid. So I'm at $7.05. So there were some low end, some high end. Let's add them all up and we'll see exactly how many orders there are and how much I actually made on these 2 days of sales on Poshmark. All right, we've got everything added up and it comes to $105.75 for 21 separate orders. Just a reminder, this is after I paid myself back for what I paid for the item, after fees, after shipping. And so the $105.75 is total positive profit. So I have paid myself back, paid all my expenses and everything, and I then get to pocket $105.75. And so hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold on Poshmark these last 2 days. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.